How to measure land area in Google Maps and Google Earth. Open the Google Maps app on your iPhone, Android, or even your computer. Go to the location where you want to measure the land. Tap and hold on the map to drop a pin. Right under the Directions button, you'll see Measure Distance. Tap on it. Now start adding points by tapping Add Point each time to trace around the land. Once you connect the points, Google Maps will show you the perimeter measurement. Keep in mind, this only shows the distance around the area, not the actual land area inside. To measure the actual land size, you'll need Google Earth. If you don't have it, download it for free on your phone. Open Google Earth, zoom into your location, and press and hold to drop a pin. Tap Measure and then start adding points just like in Maps. Continue adding until you reach your starting point, then select Close Shape. This time, it will give you both the perimeter and the land area. You can even choose the unit you prefer, like acres or square miles. This way, you can find the exact land area using Google Earth.